Hi there. I wanted to take a minute to quick tell you about our experience with Hard Connections. My husband and I work for ourselves. He's a barber and I am a realtor. And we were looking to file our taxes. The past couple of years we have not had the best luck. We have tried doing it ourselves. We've hired professionals that work with well-known companies, and we just haven't had the best luck. We always end up owing a lot, and we were just looking for some more information on doing it ourselves, maybe some videos that could help us. And that's when I stumbled upon Harsh Connections on YouTube, and I could definitely tell she seemed like someone that knew what she was talking about, and decided to look into her website, and reach out to her and just see if she does, if she could file our taxes for us. And thankfully, that is something that she offers. And it was the best decision we ever made. She was able to use strategies that we hadn't even ever thought of, or we wouldn't know what to do to help us with filing. And we usually always owe money, like I said, so she was able to actually get us a refund, which is amazing. We're so grateful that we found her. It was all done remotely as well. We've never met her in person, but we feel like we really trust her, and we plan to use her for years to come. It was such a good decision. I'm so happy that I found her. And yeah, if you're having trouble feeling lost like we were, I definitely would recommend reaching out to Hearts Connections. Tasha, she's great. And yeah, thank you so much again, Tasha.